everyone. My name is Joel J.C. Primaya from College of Engineering, first year 1B. Okay. Today, we discuss about product rule. So, product rule, ito po yung kanyang formula. U prime of x, then v of x plus u of x times mo sa v prime of x. So we have the find the derivative of f of x equals to x 3. So find the derivative of f of x equals to x, open parenthesis close, 3x squared plus 2 using product rule. So let's solve. So first, hanapin natin yung u prime. So yung u natin is yung x. Then yung u prime natin is yung derivative ng x equals to 1. Okay. Then sa v natin, is 3x squared. Then yung kanyang derivative is 6x. So natin yung formula. So sabi dito, derivative ng u prime. So derivative ng u prime natin is yung 1. So, ayan na. Sulat natin yung derivative nila using product rule. So, apply na po natin siya. So, 1. Multiply natin dito. So, magiging equals to 3x squared plus 2 plus x squared. So, ayan. Ito na po yung 1 times dito, then yung x multiply natin dito. Then, answer natin is 3x squared plus 2 plus 6x squared. So, combine like terms po tayo dito. So, 3 plus 6 equals to 9x squared plus 2. So, that's the answer for product rule. Ito po ang sagot natin. Base naman sa formula, in-apply natin yung formula sa problem na to. Then, ito po ang naging resulta niya. Okay, yun naman po. I hope po na makatulong pong video na ito sa inyo.